A warm welcome to the students of Narayana. This is Radhakrishna standing in front of you. Today we are going to discuss about the physics assignment 12 of class 7th. The topic is nothing but electricity. Now let us see the assignment. First question is nothing but, let us see, when does the current flow in the circuit? When does the current will flow in the circuit? Now let us see, if you connect the circuit diagram like this is nothing but battery and this is nothing but a plug key. This is nothing but a battery and this is nothing but a plug key. If it is connected across the bulb, if these two circuit components are connected across the bulb like this, then what happens when the key must be closed, means in a switch on position. In a switch on position, when the key must be closed, when key must be closed, it is in switch on position. In a switch on position, the current will pass into the circuit. In a switch on position, the current will pass into the circuit. Now let us see the second question. That is, draw a simple circuit containing a cell, bulb and a switch. See, here the cell is nothing but, this is the symbol for representation of the cell. It contains two terminals like this. This is longer terminal is positive, shorter terminal is negative. And a bulb is nothing but, if it is a representation of the bulb like this, this is the representation of the bulb like this. Okay. And then the next one is nothing but switch. This is nothing but switch. This is the symbol for representation of switch, and if you connect all these electrical components like this is nothing but an electrical electrical battery or a simply cell, and it is connected across the switch, and these two components is connected across the electrical bulb like this. This is nothing but a simple electric circuit. This is key and this is nothing but battery and this is nothing but a bulb. And this is the representation of the simple electric circuit. Okay, now let us see the next question, that is the third question, and very important question. There is, see, write the differences between series connection and parallel connection. Series connection is nothing but end-to-end combination, means one bulb should be connected across the second bulb, that is nothing but a series combination. If these two bulbs are connected parallelly, means if they are connected different combinations, then it is called parallel connection. See, in the series connection, electricity has only one flow. Okay, electricity has only one path to flow in a series combination, and electricity has more than one path. Electricity is nothing but current. Current has more than one path to flow, and all electrical components in series combination are connected in a single path. All the electrical components must be connected in a single path, and here each component of the electrical circuit should be connected in a separate path. Means in different paths we can connect the all electrical components. Electrical components are nothing but electrical bulb, switch and a bulb if they are connected parallelly. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is very important. Describe the effect of connecting electrical cells in series. How would you connect them in series combination? This is the diagram which is representation of the bulb which are connected in cells which are connected in series combination. Here two cells are connected in series, and if you take two or more cells also no problem. What means why we are connecting two or more cells means which gives the intensity of the bulb. Here see, positive terminal of the battery should be connected across the one end of the bulb, and second end of the bulb is connected across the negative terminal of the bulb. This is positive terminal of the battery, and another end of the bulb should be connected across the negative terminal of battery. Here positive terminal of one cell is connected across the negative terminal of the another cell, and this is the circuit, whole circuit diagram. Okay, representation of the electrical circuit. Here, if the two cells are connected in series combination, if they are connected across the bulb, means the intensity of the bulb will be more. The intensity of the means the bulb will give more brightness. The bulb will glows more brightness. If you connect the two or three or more cells, then what happens? The brightness of the bulb will be more. Now let us see the next question, that is what is the circuit diagram, and explain the appreciating the simplification. Let us see what is circuit diagram means. The picture which is showing the all electrical components which are connected in the circuit is called a circuit diagram. And here let us see This is nothing but battery. It consists of two terminals, positive terminal of battery and this is negative terminal of battery. Negative terminal of battery is connected across the plug key like this. Negative terminal of battery is connected across the plug key like this. Let us see. Negative terminal of battery is connected across the plug key. This is nothing but a plug key. This is nothing but a plug key. If they are both the components, means the battery and plug key is connected across the electrical bulb like this. This is nothing but an electrical bulb. If they are connected like this is nothing but an electrical bulb. Then what happens when key must be closed means when key must be closed means the bulb will close. When key is in a closed position, then what happens? The bulb will close. When key must be closed means when current will pass into the bulb. When current passes into the bulb means what happens? The bulb will close. In a switch is in open position means if you open the switch, then what happens? There is no current will pass into the circuit. Like this, positive terminal of a battery is connected across the electrical bulb, and negative terminal is another terminal of bulb is connected across the plug key. Plug key should be connected across the negative terminal of battery. This is the circuit components. So all the electrical components are connected as a one circuit. And here, explain appreciating simplification means this is simplification or explanation regarding to the electrical circuit. Thank you.